All right, first of all, we're going to cut the cable ties off the motor plug. Off, and disconnect the motor. All right, next thing, we're going to undo the motor. This is one of the older versions of the bike, so the new bikes will be slightly different than this, significantly easier. All right, that should do that side. Now we'll get this side. Alrighty, next we're going to take off the wheel. So we've got both of our nuts undone. We're going to pull the derailleur back and then pull the wheel up and out. Alright, so now what we're doing is we're swapping this a 180. So we're going to undo this. You can even get it in there. Undoing our derailleur bracket. We're putting that end on the inside and that on the outside, like so. And we can tighten that one back up. So that allows us to now install a safety bracket. These were only introduced in 2023, or end of 2023. So now we get our little nut, or our little bolt, and that sticks through there. There we go. So the head of this bolt, if you look down this side, will go flush into that to stop that from turning. So that's a little hex head that will slide into there. And then on this side, you're going to put your safety bracket on like that once the motor's on. So let's get the motor on. Our wheel and axle is here, or the bike frame will sit here. So you've got the motor with these two rotators on it, and then the bike frame, and then you're going to have your safety washers, then you're going to have a normal washer, and then your nuts to lock it all on. Now we're going to install the wheel. So we're going to put our safety brackets on first. So slide that over the motor wire. Same on that side. So you only need those two on for now. That one and that one. There we go, so we slotted our rotor into our caliper and it's in the slides. Little trick, if it doesn't go in nicely or feels like it's jamming, get a little 10mm spanner and just, you can rotate the axle a little bit, which will help jiggle it in or out. All right, next we're gonna put our safety brackets on. So we'll do this side first. So this one's nice and easy, you just have one of those. It's gonna go on there. You're gonna put your washer on. And you can put your nut on. There we go, now we'll do the other side. So for this side, we're gonna go our safety washer first. Go. Sometimes you need a little screwdriver to hold that thread out. See, it's just pushed in there, you just pull that back out. Sometimes just getting a little screwdriver or something in behind it just to stop it from pushing through. There we go. Safety washer's on. We'll put our little screw on next. Now this isn't to lock your wheel on, it's just in case. You cannot rely on the safety bracket to hold your wheel on the bike. Washer on next, and then your nut on last. Or second to last, I should say. And now we'll go and tighten both sides up together. Just tighten up. All right, so the final part is putting your motor cable back on. So you're gonna put your cover over the nut there and plug her in. Arrows going to arrows, and we're in. Now the final step is just zip tying that cable back up. So that so it's nice and secure and not going to catch on anything. So yeah, that's how you mount your rear wheel back on. It's just crucial that you get those spaces on the right orientation on the wheel.